Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating this Buture portable jump starter and air compressor for you. So this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you know me guys, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox it for you and actually test it out in real world conditions and show you exactly how it performs. So let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so it comes in a nice hard case here. Let's open this case up. Okay, we have a card here, and here is our jump starter and pump system. It's pretty nice size, and it's got some good weight to it. Okay. Comes with a pair of insulating gloves, our jumper pack, two USB-C cables, our air compressor hose, and some airing up tips for like air mattresses and basketballs and things like that. So this device can be used as both a jump starter and an air pump. Let's see if it has any charge on it. So it comes with 75% charge. That's normal. This is your battery charge. If you want to go into pump mode, you press this little button right here, and then you can increase. You can choose over here what kind of device, like car, motorcycle, bicycle. Don't know what that is, and not sure what that is there, but you can set the actual PSI by using these buttons right here. Okay, to whatever you want to set it at. So typically most cars are going to be around 36 PSI. Okay, on the side it has a little rubber carry handle here. Also has a work light that you can turn on by holding the power button once it's turned on. And it goes to blinker, and then like that, and then solid light. And then to turn it off, just hold the button down for a few seconds and then it turns off. Over here we have our charging port and our auxiliary USB power ports, so you can charge your phone and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get this thing out in the field and test it out. Okay guys, so here I have my 3/4 ton Chevy Silverado pickup, and I've disconnected the positive battery lead here because my battery is good, so there's no sense in connecting it to a battery that's already good. So by disconnecting the positive lead, I've disconnected the battery from the system, so there's no power to the system. Now we're going to test out and see if this thing can jump this big engine off without any battery aid at all. Now we're going to go ahead and connect the red one to the positive lead, red cable, and then the black one to the negative side. Okay, make sure that you have good solid contact. I always like to rock them because it takes a lot of juice to get in there. You want to make sure that you have good solid contact. Now, so we're going to go ahead and connect this thing right here. And you have to get that in all the way. Okay, now I'm going to press this button right here. Press and hold boost. And you hear that? It's ready to go. Now you got 30 seconds to turn your car on. Once you've started your vehicle, disconnect your positive and your negative. Alright, there we go. Let's try it again. Turn it on, press and hold boost. Okay. Alright, so it worked good. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And it didn't drain it too much on that second one. It went pretty fast. So it was already started up, didn't take as much energy. But there you go guys. So we know it can start a big engine like this. It can start a small engine too. All Alright guys, so I've got my ATV tire here and gonna air it up. It's pretty low, you can see. I'm gonna set the mode to custom mode down here. And we're gonna set it to 13 pounds. So set it to 13 pounds and turn it on. Okay, so got my Silverado tire here. Big tire, requires 60 psi. Let's see what we're currently at right now. We're at 40 psi, so it needs 20 psi of pressure. Let's go ahead and put our pressure thing in here. All right. Get that in. Now, let's hook it up here. Okay, we're going to go to pump mode. Let's turn it on. Put it in pump mode. We got to go to this little mode right here, which shows like a guy doing a muscle deal. And we have to increase our pressure. This is where we got to get to 60. Other modes won't allow you to get to 60, but we need 60 psi. Okay, 60 psi, and now we hold this down. All right, well, it did get it to 60 psi. All right, so it was able to get it up there and get the pressure turned off at 60 psi. It did a good job. It did take a while though. I'll be up front with you on that. It did take a good long time, about 10-15 minutes. And this part right here is pretty hot. That's why they have this little silicone heat protector. If it didn't have that on there, that'd burn your hand. It did get pretty hot, and the battery's kind of hot on here. So it did struggle, but it did get it done. Well, all right, guys, you saw how it worked. It jumped the truck off a couple times, aired up the front tire up to 60 psi, aired up my ATV. It takes a little bit of time to get used to the buttons and everything, but I was able to learn it pretty quickly, and it worked pretty decently and still has 50% of the battery left after all that. So guys, well, that's all I can show you with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please hit that thumbs up underneath the video to let me know it helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.